Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You've got Gboard downloaded. Now activate it so you can actually type with it. Open Settings, go to General, then Keyboard, and add Gboard as a new keyboard. Once added, tap Gboard in the list and grant Allow Full Access. This enables glide typing, GIF search, and clipboard features. Make sure to reorder keyboards or hold the globe icon to select Gboard as default in any app. Doing this first saves time and prevents interruptions when you start typing. Now learn the main tools you'll use every day. Glide typing. Drag across letters to form words quickly and watch suggestions above the keys to pick corrections. Tap the microphone for voice typing when your hands are busy and use the emoji and GIF buttons for expressive replies. Gboard search finds images or stickers instantly. Customize behavior in Gboard settings, autocorrection, one-handed mode, and languages, so the keyboard matches how you type. Once configured, switching between languages. Wrap up by personalizing and checking privacy. Open Gboard settings to choose a theme, enable or disable suggestions, and add additional languages. Make sure App Store updates are enabled so you get bug fixes and new features. If something fails, force quit the problematic app, toggle Gboard off and on in settings, or reinstall Gboard. That usually resolves permission or lag issues. If autocorrect misbehaves, reset Keyboard Dictionary in iOS settings. These final steps keep Gboard reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.